Welcome back to another episode of Organizing Tune-Ups with your host, Jessica Littman, where we are breaking down big organizing concepts into small, bite-sized chunks you can do every day for 5 to 15 minutes. So season 3 has come to an end. I know, I told you this was a mini season. So what I want you to do is I want you to pick a couple strategies and use these strategies as you go through and organize and declutter your stuff. I want you to share what is working and what isn't working, and then we can create a system that is specific for you because every person works differently. And so I want you to find an organizing system that is like perfect for you. Then I will see you again in September for season 4 of Organizing Tune-Ups. Let me know in the comments what topics you want covered in season 4, because I cannot wait to get organizing with you again. I'll see you then.